What's up, everybody? Yesterday I made a short video on how to sell shirts on eBay using SPOD and Shopify. Today I want to talk about why you should be using SPOD for all your print-on-demand needs, whether it's for your eBay, Etsy, Amazon, or your own website. With Shopify, if there's a marketplace out there, you will find an app to list your shirts. First, let's talk about SPOD in case you didn't watch yesterday's video. SPOD is a Spreadshirt print-on-demand. If you have been selling shirts for a while, then I'm sure you are familiar with who Spreadshirt is. They're one of the biggest names in the POD industry and have been around for a while. So why use SPOD? Well, first let's talk about production time. They boast a 2-day production time on average. A lot of times they ship out the next day, next business day, same day. I do set my production times for 3 days just to give me that buffer I need, but seldom do I need it. Next, let's talk about price. So this is the price for their basic shirt, $6.39. So for under $10, you get a shirt to your customer. It comes in a variety of colors. One of the things I like the most about their shirts is they range from small to 6X, and the prices do not change. A lot of my repeat customers are the larger sizes, and I think they like the fact that I don't upcharge them based on their size. That's really nice. Next, let's talk about their print variety. I see a lot of people out there on Etsy. They're selling a faux glitter shirt. They get good reviews, but people often say, I thought this was real glitter. So why not print in real glitter? I'll show you an example of their glitter print. This is just a quick one I made for my wife. Sorry, it's all wrinkly. I made her drag it out of the summer clothes just so I can take a picture of it for yesterday's video. They also have glow-in-the-dark print, neon print. You can give your customers a lot more choices with SPOD. Now let's talk about a variety of products they do have. They have all your basic stuff, your premium shirts. They have camo shirts, tie-dyed shirts, all your tank tops, hoodies, sweatshirts. Plus they also have a lot of accessories. Here they have backpacks, caps, mugs, drinkware, coffee cups, water bottles. They sell baby clothing, youth. They pretty much sell everything that you're going to need to keep your shop full of stuff and give your customers everything they need. Last but not least, let's talk about their quality. As I stated before, this is Spreadshirt. They do know what they're doing. I have a very low return rate using them. Very seldom do I get a return for quality. If you do have a problem, Spreadshirt takes care of it. You don't have to force your customer to send the shirt back to you. You can just issue them a replacement if there's a quality issue. I've used all the POD services out there, all the major ones at least I should say. Spreadshirt will go toe-to-toe with any of them. So do yourself a favor, click the link down below. Let's step up your merch game, start making more money, giving your customers what they want, shipping a product in a fast time. If you got any questions, feel free to message me and ask me. Join my Facebook group, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. So thanks for watching, and hopefully you give SPOD a shot, and I'll guarantee you like it.